Okay, so we have the rear door speaker from my Mazda 3, my 2011. Here's the other one that I just took out today and replaced. So, you can see it's dual cone, paper, flimsy surround. These are actually very loud for how small the magnet is. It says it's 25-watt speaker, 4 ohm, made in China. So either way, ABS as it says here. So they were good for what they were used for, but now I have better. So we are going to take this and tear this around and pull the cone out and see what it looks like inside. Probably should have used scissors for this, but my scissors have crap in them right now. So they need to be cleaned. Oh yeah. Perfect. Not going to be easy, so I'm not too concerned with keeping it in working order. The spider here, this is actually pretty tight for how small it is. That's what he said. Anyway. Mind the gap. There it is. Well, that's what was inside it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to watch more of me tearing things apart and seeing what's in them, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, leave me a comment. Let me know why. If you have a Mazda 3 and you've replaced these speakers, let me know that too. Alright, thank you for watching.